and Slicey in my new studio space, and I'm so excited. I went to IKEA on a Saturday, and if you know how IKEA is, oh my gosh, you know how it is on a Saturday. But I found some stuff for the studio, so I'm gonna start putting some of it together. Tiring, but I got the bookshelf done. Yes. I think I had a little hiccup in the middle and didn't hammer two of those stupid little wooden things in far enough, and so that took a little smacking around to get it in. But we did it. All good. Now for the desk. Did it. We got it done. I don't have the desktop up here. I got like the heaviest top desk you can find in IKEA. It's a piece of solid birch wood, I think, and it weighs a ton. So my husband's gonna bring it up and probably do the top of the desk. But I just got back surgery last week, so I have stitches in my back actually while I'm doing all this, and I can't lift more than 15 pounds currently with my stitches. So yeah, I think he's gonna have to finish the rest. But I think that went pretty well. If you want to know the names of the pieces I just put together and the items I got from the IKEA haul, I'll put them in the description down below. And we'll do a studio reveal hopefully very soon. and I'll show you what the final thing looks like. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys check out my new content here on Life by Lacey. And also come find me if you're into the gaming content and want to see more gaming stuff. I have a new channel that I just created about last week called Satoshi Gaming, and it's all gaming and nothing else. So if you're interested in that, do go subscribe to me over there at Satoshi Gaming, and I'll put the link in the description for that too. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Have a good weekend. Bye.